What's up, what's up, what's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today we're going to be going to Publix to do these WIC BOGOs. Guys, if you have WIC, this is the day to shop, the week to shop at Publix. They have a lot of BOGOs on their cereal. So their multigrain Cheerios are buy one, get one free. If you have WIC, you can get this flavor, or you can get the regular Cheerios, but not the family size. It's the large size, which is this. You get one of these or one of these for free. And then for your other flavor, you can get the real honey nut. You can get blueberry oats. You could get, what's another one? Any of these, the maple, very berry Cheerios, apple cinnamon Cheerios, frosted Cheerios. You can get any of those as your free item if you currently have WIC with cereal left on it. Or they also have their Kelloggs cereal on BOGO. Kellogg's Corn Flakes, Frosted Flakes, Corn Pops, Apple Jacks, or Fruit Loops. Guys, this Kellogg's Corn Flakes is a WIC cereal at Publix. You'll get this as your WIC item. And then for your free item, you can get the Frosted Flakes. You can get the Honey Frosted Flakes. You can get the Apple Jacks. Or you could get the Fruit Loops. So this is definitely a week to use your WIC. You can get the Eggo cereal. They're buy one, get one free, but they're different. Oh, you can't get Eggo because they're different. It's just the Eggo. Eggo goes with Rice Krispies, Frosted Flakes, or Cocoa Rice Krispies, which are out of the regular Rice Krispies, which is a WIC cereal at this location, but a different location may have it. This is another hot WIC deal this week at Publix. If you have juice, like I have 2 bottles of 64-ounce juice. This is the 64-ounce Juicy Juice. It's on sale. The WIC flavor would be apple, so I'm going to get 2 of those. And now I get 2 free, and that could be any other flavor I like. It could be the orange tangerine, white grape, tropical, strawberry kiwi, fruit punch, mango, or cherry, honestly. Or it could even be the strawberry banana. Honestly, Juicy Juice flavors, to me and my children personally, we think they're nasty. So I'm just gonna stick with the apple because that's what my children like. But if you like any of these other flavors, you can now get other flavors, or you could just be like me and just get double. If you like this video, y'all already know what to do. Hit a likey like, hit a likey like, hit a likey like for your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye.